We are in Kemi, which is in Lapland, and tonight we will be going to check out the northern lights. The weather seems to be clearing. It was little cloudy, but later on it clears and hopefully we get to see something. So let's hope for the best. It's 3 p.m. now and we are in Kemi. This is where we are going to check in. We are in Lapland and this is a triple bed room for 3 guys, and it's super cold and windy outside. Tonight at around 10 p.m. we will be heading towards a point from where we can be having the northern light excursion, and hopefully we get to see the northern lights, because that is for what I have traveled so much. And this is a very important day today. So from 10 in the night till morning in the 4 we will be out just hunting the northern lights. So now we are standing here on Baltic Sea. This is frozen, and it's frozen until 60 to 70 meters deep. Look at these hungry people.
Another one. Yes, please.
Feeding something, feeding on sausages in this freezing winter. We started at 9 a.m. in the morning from Kemi, and now we are here for our Husky ride and reindeer ride, and both these things happen at the same spot. And when you book this trip through PM to AM or any other third-party companies, then they do have the options where you need to pay extra for these rides. So we had an awesome Husky ride. It was short, but yeah, it was very nice. Amazing feeling, and the hands did froze. Holding the selfie stick was really very tough.
So you approach them by letting them sniff you first. Don't force them, don't hug them, don't jump on them. Just respect their space as much as they did a good job for you today.
So after the Husky ride, you do also get a chance to cuddle these Huskies. And here someone who wants to hunt for a wife is now having some fun with the Husky. Prakash, yeah, you will get a wife soon, okay? Make good love to the Husky, and then you are professional, okay?
About 300 years ago in Alaska, in the gold rush era, when the miners were finding a most sustainable and easiest way to transport goods from one place to another, and also to keep a little bit busy, because it was transporting gold was very hard work. So it was actually, they came up with the fact that they can use Huskies to transport easily.
The Husky ride and reindeer ride are just side by side, and it's not a long ride that you do, but you do pay 40 euros for this ride. And in my opinion, the reindeer rides are pretty slow, whereas the Husky rides are pretty fast, and you also get to get close to the Husky, play with the Husky. And now we are heading towards the Santa Claus village. And yes, when you are in Lapland and you do not meet the man Santa himself, then what's fun in that?